Today we're talking about composite decking, its history, how it's evolved, and where it is today.
To understand how composite decking came to exist, we need to briefly talk about the creation of composite material. The first uses of a composite-like material are recorded back when Egyptians and Mesopotamians used a mixture of mud and straw to create more durable buildings. After scientists invented plastics, vinyl, polyester, and all that stuff, people began to experiment mixing materials in hopes to create something stronger for structural applications. Eventually, wood plastic composites, WPC, used to simulate wood decking, siding, windows, fencing, and door frames were created. In 1976, together, a group of engineers, Marco Terragini and his brother Dino, developed the first extrusion line in the world for the production of WPC, sheets composed with thermoplastic materials intended to replace wood. Then, Roger Wittenberg comes along, combined shredded plastic and sawdust to make a serviceable product that could potentially be used as a decking plank, and created a park bench. The product attracted the attention of Mobil Oil Company, who hired him for their plastics division in 1992 to further develop the technology. Eventually, they cut the plastics division, big mistake, and Roger ended up at a company that became known as Trex. Maybe you've heard that one before. While there, he helped create the first manufactured deck board on the market using recycled plastic bags and wood byproducts to create composite decking boards. For the first time, homeowners could build a deck that required no painting, sealing, staining, minimal upkeep. Over time, other companies appeared with technology improvements. This revolutionary product continued to evolve into something that we know of today, and the rest is history. Today we have all sorts of companies that have evolved and improved composite decking in this revolutionary technology.
What ended up happening was, like everything else in the building material industry, is materials get better. There's new technologies, there's new inventions, and so forth. So composite deck boards have really expanded in what they're made of. So what I've got here are 4 different kinds of boards that we have here at Warehouse 71. We do have a variety of different styles and the materials that they're made out of. So that constantly changes. Please keep an eye on our Warehouse71DIY.com website, and that'll also give you current inventory level and pricing. But let's start off here with a wood flower composite deck board that is sealed with a hard polymer cap. So as you can see here, it's got some scallops. We have a variety of different colors in this, but it's recycled material on the inside. And the hard polymer cap keeps oils and tannins from coming through the surface. That was the issue with the first generation of decking. 25-year fade and stain on most of these products here. And then we also have it in a full profile version. This is a Decorator's composite deck board. That one was TimberTech. And moving on, this is a mineral-based PVC product that is made by Decorator. So very light in weight and fantastic warranty on it. What's very interesting about a mineral-based PVC, and here is I had to split this open, but as you can see these fibers sticking out of it. And it kind of reminds me of that Mythbusters episode where they took a phone book and they layered every single page, and then you try to pull them apart. This is kind of very similar in the fact that it has very little expansion and contraction, almost none. I can't say none, but it's almost none. And a lot of that is because of these not wood fibers, but the fibers that are inside the deck board that are keeping it from moving around so much. It can be used for ground contact. It could also be submerged in water, like on a dock or something if you have high tide. It's warranted against that. Then over here we have the AZEK TimberTech version of PVC deck board that's also light in weight, carries a great warranty. It's a nice cooler board. So is the Decorator's PVC, because it's not quite as dense, so it's not going to trap the heat and hold it for quite as long as a wood flower composite. So if that is a concern to you about hot decks, then this is definitely the way to go. So check out our inventory of PVC deck boards as well. And if you ever have questions, please just give us a call at Warehouse 71. We love educating people about our products. And the phone number is 860-528-0495.